Acrex India is set to be South Asia's largest HVAC event, transforming Mumbai into the global nexus for refrigeration and building automation.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Organized by Ishra Event, this essential HVAC exhibition Mumbai will focus on unlocking business potential, showcasing the sustainable HVAC solutions and smart building technologies driving the massive India real estate infrastructure boom. For industry leaders, this is the premier platform to seize unparalleled business growth opportunities in India, connect with global innovators, and accelerate the future of the refrigeration industry in India. Join us to build a better, smarter world. Acrex India is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.